I'm Brian Coleman. I've been at DeWys for 4 years and I am a point person in VSG on the robots. Well, I was working on the road and I was traveling a lot. I was gone every other week, living out of a hotel room, and I was missing out on a lot of opportunities and time with family. And my brother-in-law worked here for a while and he told me about it. And so I came and applied and got a job here and started from there. I think the biggest thing is I like to work hands-on, and the best way for me to learn is by doing it. And when I was younger and I was in school, I didn't learn very well in a classroom setting. So in manufacturing, you get to do everything hands-on, and you don't have to sit in a classroom and read a book. And DeWys really has a good university program for training, and everything that I know that I've learned here, I've learned here. So that was helpful. I think the biggest thing is the people that I work with on a day-to-day basis. When I started here, I didn't have any experience, so I learned everything hands-on, and I think the people are the biggest thing that keep me going. I think the biggest thing that keeps me here is the opportunities, for one. They're a big company, they've been around for a long time. All the people I work with, again, that's the biggest thing that keeps me here every day, and it's close to home, and there's a lot of other benefits that come with it. I wouldn't say one person in specific. I think just a wide range of different people here. I wouldn't say anyone specific, just a little bit of everybody. I feel honored to be part of it, and I hope that it's some kind of inspirational to other people, and I'm glad to be part of it.